guys! What's up? It's me, Jaytee, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be sharing you some things about how to make song covers here on YouTube. So for the past 2 years of my life, naging dedicated ako sa pag-upload ng covers and ukulele tutorials dito sa channel ko. And I'm just so thankful na na-appreciate niyo yung content ko, even though na hindi naman siya ganun naka-original, alam niyo yun, because a lot of YouTubers create the same content as mine. And ayun, so yung mga things na isi-share ko sa inyo ngayon ay some of the things that I learned over the past 2 years of creating videos. So first thing na kailangan nyo talaga is that dapat may passion ka sa music. So since we're talking about making music and creating song covers on YouTube, so kailangan mo talaga ng passion and that mahal mo yung ginagawa mo and also you are proud of the talent na binigay sa'yo ni Lord. So the second thing na kailangan mong gawin is mamili ka na ng kanta na ika-cover mo. So nung nag-start ako sa YouTube, yung kina-cover ko talaga ay yung mga recent or yung mga uso na kanta because the more trending the song is, the more chances of being searched and discovered. Like for example, yung movie na uso nung panahong yun is yung Love You to the Stars and Back. Yun yung movie na yun, yung kay Joshua and kay Julia. And the official soundtrack that was being used sa movie na yun is yung Torete na version ni Moira. So nung nag-cover na ako, tas in-upload ko, dumami yung views. So ayun, kung gusto nyong madiskubre agad-agad, mag-cover ka ng mga uso na kanta or yung mga hindi na masyadong uso pero maraming nagre-request, ganun. So, yeah. So, for the third step, kailangan mong practicein yung kanta. As in, practice. So, since magka-cover ka nga, kailangan mo mag-exert ng time and effort para practicein yung kanta. And dito din na step na gagawin mo ng sariling version yung cover mo. So, yeah. So, para sa pang-apat na step, dito mo na kailangan i-set up yung mga gamit mo. Now, when I started doing covers here on YouTube, the camera that I was just using is my iPad mini. And yung microphone ko is the headset. So, kinakabit ko lang yung headset dun sa iPad ko. And kung nagka-cover ako, nilalagay ko dito sa left or right ear ko. And then yung microphone, medyo malapit siya dito sa bibig ko. So, ganun lang yung ginagawa ko. Or if ever na lalapag ko yung iPad dyan sa table, yung headset is medyo andyan din siya sa table na hindi nakikita sa video. So, ganun lang. Pero dapat medyo, din siya, malapit lang sa bibig mo. So, yun lang yung ginagawa ko dati. So, nung first sweldo ko talaga dito sa YouTube, yung una ko talagang binili is a decent condenser microphone. And a lot of you guys were asking me kung anong microphone yung ginagamit ko sa covers ko. And it's a CAD mic. CAD yung brand. And it's a plug-and-play microphone. So, USB type siya. Sasaksak mo lang siya sa computer or laptop mo and then you're good to go. So, here are the main things that you really need in order to achieve a good quality cover. So, nilagay ko talaga dito sa notes ko para hindi ako mawala. First things first is that you really need a camera, but if you don't have a camera, then your phone is already good to go. So, a lot of YouTubers started uploading videos by just using their phones as their camera. And ngayon, as in sobrang dami na ng phone na sobrang linaw ng camera niya. So, your phone is a good alternative to a vlogging camera or a DSLR. So, the second thing that you need is of course a microphone, but if you don't have yet the budget to buy a condenser microphone, then the headset thingy is already good. But yung ginagawa ko kasi nung nagagamit pa ako ng headset is that after I record the video, ini-extract ko yung audio dun sa video ko and then ini-edit ko yung audio sa Adobe Audition para mas maging clearer yung audio because yeah, headset lang naman yun, diba? So, hindi mo talaga ma-achieve yung clearness ng audio na gusto mo if yun lang yung gagamitin mo. Pero may nakita akong budget condenser microphone sa Lazada and it's called BM800. Hindi ko alam kung alam nyo yun, pero itry nyo i-search sa Lazada yun. And marami akong videos na nakikita na gumagamit sila ng BM800 and in fairness, it's good. But if you want to step up your game and afford mo namang bumili ng professional na condenser microphone, then Audio-Technica is good. CAD is also good. This one, I'm using it right now. And ano pa nga yun, yung Blue Yeti. Blue Yeti is also good. And there's a lot of condenser mic na maganda. Pwede ka bumili online or sa mga music stores. Meron ba dun? Hardware. So may nilista akong 1, 2, 3, 4, apat na setup na pwede nyong gamitin. So the first setup here that I have is that camera plus built-in microphone ng camera mo or ng phone mo. So lalagay mo lang yung phone mo dyan somewhere and then kumanta ka and then upload. Okay, so that's the first setup. If you want to improve the audio quality, so camera plus external mic. So this external mic can be your headset or a lapel. The third setup, ito yung setup na ginagamit ko. Camera plus condenser mic na USB plus DAW or DAW, or this is also known as the Digital Audio Workstation. So this is an app or software sa computer mo kung saan ka mag-edit ng video. And in my case, I'm using Adobe Audition CC. Parang nami-mention ko naman ito sa mga videos ko. And dito ko ginagawa yung mga reverb, yung mga echo-echo, and mga second voice, ganun, multitracking, and whatsoever. Alam ko hindi nyo ako naiintindihan. So, ayun, dun ko lahat ginagawa sa Adobe Audition. And there's a lot of digital audio workstation out there. So, search nyo lang sa Google and yeah. Now, for the fourth setup, we have camera plus condenser microphone na XLR type. And then, i-connect mo siya sa phantom power. Of course, hindi naman magpa-power up yung condenser mic na XLR without the 48 volts na phantom power. I'm not sure if I'm right, pero sana. And then, phantom power plus sound card plus your laptop na may digital audio workstation. Or pwede din itong camera plus condenser mic na XLR plus audio interface plus digital audio workstation sa computer mo. So, yung pang-apat na setup, yun yung medyo mahal and professional na setup. And medyo mahal siya because yung audio interface pa lang, alam kong mahal yun eh, mga 5K plus, 5 to 10,000 plus. Yun, and condenser mic plus audio interface, medyo mahal na talaga siya guys. And para sa mga budgetarians dyan, mas preferred ko yung third na setup, just like mine, kasi yung camera, yung microphone ko is USB type, so plug and play. So, microphone, tapos computer, doon ko na ginagawa lahat sa computer. Pero, yung fourth setup kasi, mas professional siya because of the audio interface. I'm not so good with this, you know. Sa audio interface kasi, pwede kang maglagay doon ng multiple microphones and also pwede nyo isaksak doon yung baga nyo. Pwede nyo isaksak doon yung gitara nyo or any instruments na gusto nyo isaksak doon basta lang may connection sa anong tawag doon? Pick up. Basta ganon. Naayos mo na yung mga gamit mo. Yung fourth step is that magbihis ka naman, magpaganda ka kahit papano, decente ka sa video bago ka mag-record. So kahit pulbo at lip tint lang yan, okay lang yan guys. Magsuklay ka para naman hindi ka masyadong, alam mo na, dugyot sa video. So, now, during the cover time, cover time. So, during pag nagka-cover ka na, yung kailangan mo lang talaga is confidence. Isang galong confidence. At kailangan mo na dito ilabas yung galing mo. As in, todo mo na yan. Push mo na yan, te. Kanta ka na dyan. So, ayun. Yeah. So, after the cover face, So, after the cover face, Jude. Dito na yung face na i-edit mo na yung audio mo. So, kung gusto nyo lagyan pa ng second voice, so magre-record ka na naman ulit for second voice. And if you want to clean your audio, then remove some noise and stuff. So, ayun. So, after the editing phase, i-upload mo na yung video mo and let the whole world hear your voice. Sabi pa sa The Voice, let your voice be heard. Diba? So, ayun. And then, tip ko lang, pag nag-upload na kayo ng video sa YouTube, yung part na tags ba yung tawag doon? Tags ba? Basta yung ilalagay mo yung mga keywords para ma-search ka, damihan mo yung tags, ilagay nyo yung singer, like for example, yung kinanta mo is, Titibo-tibo ni Moira. So, ilalagay mo doon, Moira de la Torre, titibo-tibo cover, titibo-tibo guitar, titibo. Lagyan mo ng maraming tags because the more tags, the more chances of being searched. So, that's it for our video today, guys. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo and may natutunan kayo sa akin kahit pa paano. And if you want me to share more things about YouTube and stuff, So, yeah, just let me know on the comment section below kung ano pa yung gusto nyong gawin ko for my next vlog. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Bye! 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 Hey guys, so thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're interested to watch my latest ukulele cover or tutorials, you may click the video right here. And if you're interested to watch my latest vlogs, you may click the video right there. And I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe.